Hello, everyone. From today, let's explore various methods of placing panels using a completed structure. In the FormPlan menu, the functions related to panel placement are largely classified into three modes. Point mode provides methods to place panels individually or in multiples by specifying coordinates in the level plan, using the placement functions in the three items: wall part, beam part, and slab part. You can create panels one by specifying coordinates on the floor plan and entering detailed information such as height. Kind Plan provides a method to select the panel type first and then select the component code in the dialog. Multiplay provides a method to automatically place multiple panels simultaneously by specifying section coordinates. And Edge Mode is a method of placing panels by specifying edges in a 3D view. Panel types are classified as wall part, beam part, and slab part. Automation is a method of automatically placing panels by selecting a face in element mode or multi-selecting elements. First, let's place panels using the single panel placement functions in point mode. All functions included in point mode are mainly used in floor plan. Of course, you can use it in 3D view, but it is somewhat difficult to specify accurate coordinates. In wall part, specify the RIC menu, and enter the corner point when prompted for the first coordinate input. When you enter the A side coordinate and the B side coordinate, a dialog box for entering detailed information is displayed on the screen. The material list selectively displays only materials with the item name IC. Select the desired material from the list. The A and B side lengths are displayed based on the coordinates entered in the floor plan. If you click the A button or B button, it will display as 150. 150 is the default IC size registered in the project settings. Click the Cancel button to close the dialog. Run the Set Project Information command in Setup Data. Check the basic IC panel input item for the current project. It is set to 150. Click button A or B in the panel Create dialog. It reads the value and displays it in the length input field. Place the Incano panel again and set the AB face length to 150. You can enter two stages for the height, H1 and H2. Checking the friend configuration, the basic panel height is 2450. For the Incano panel, enter 2450 for height H1. Enter the lower cutting size in the cut input field. The corner panel can only display tags in the form of support lines, so other options cannot be used. Now, click the Plan button to place the panel. Check if the total panel height is 2450 and the bottom cutting is placed at 50. Next, place the inner corner panel on the right corner area. Enter the command, specify the coordinates, and then adjust the length and height in the dialog to place the panel. For reference, the last entered value is always displayed as the default value. Now, place the R-wall rocker panel to the right of the inner corner panel. In the point mode wall part, specify the R-wall RK menu. Specify the start and end points and enter the placement direction for the panel. The item name of this panel is W. Therefore, all materials with the item name W are displayed in the material list. The length is displayed by measuring the entered coordinates, and the length can be changed as needed. Checking the height and elevation, you can see that it does not match the current settings. In the floor height configuration, pressing the H1 button displays the corresponding height on the height H1 of the placement panel. Since this panel must be installed on the slab floor, the elevation must be 0. Pressing the clear button sets the elevation to 0. Also, if you press the select element button and select the wall element, the program automatically calculates the elevation and panel height. After completing the input, pressing the Plan button installs a panel with a length of 600 and a loop of 2450 at the entered coordinates. Next, let's continue with R, W, and RK panels to the right. If the length measured by the entered coordinates exceeds 600, it will simply display as 600. To summarize, the point mode's item placement function is a method of placing panels by redefining the predefined coordinates for each item. In this video, we briefly summarized the item placement method for Inconut panels and wall rocker panels. We will cover this in more detail in the next video. It is a form in which several items are combined into one command for each panel shape. For example, if you specify coordinates with the panel command to display the dialog, you can see different types of items displayed in the code list. All these codes have the same square shape. Therefore, the panel shape is determined first, then the item is determined to finalize the component code. The remaining steps are the same as the item placement method described earlier. The panel type of a specific component code is determined and adjusted by the kind item in the component code information. Yes, this will be the last step of today's video. Next is multiplan. Multiplan is a method to automatically place multiple types of panels at once by specifying section coordinates. Enter the command and then specify the predefined section coordinates. When the dialog appears, first configure the component code. The R-wall menu is a function that simultaneously places regular rectangular panels and in-corner panels on both corners. Therefore, apply the rectangular panel component code to wall loader and the in-corner panel code to wall IC. In the panel arrangement on the right side of the screen, the equally divided panel configuration is automatically displayed by measuring the section length. Determine the panel height and elevation in the same way as before, and then press the Plan button to place the panels. Because you did not specifically decide whether to use in-corner panels in the dialog, the panels are configured justly. Cancel and this time set it to use in-corner panels. Let's perform section arrangement. Click the in-corner panel icon. The length shown at the bottom is 150 mm. Place the in-corner panel. Checking the results, the in-corner panels are inserted on both sides, and the remaining sections are filled with rectangular panels. Today, we covered the item command method configured in point mode, the panel type placement method, and the section arrangement method. In the next video, we will explore edge plan and element plan, which we didn't cover today. Good job today. See you in the next video. Next yield.